So there you go. Nothing special. I don't know what material it's made out of, but oh, this shit better not fucking snap. And then here's the wastegate, tile wastegate, and then tile blow off valve. So that's the dump pipe, I believe that's what it's called, I think. And then let's see, move. Where the fuck? No. Oh shit. This should not be here at all. Where is it? Is it in here? No. I don't remember where I put my injectors. But I have, I think they were 650 or 550. I'm not sure, because I really haven't looked at this kit because I've been worried about other stuff. But yeah, I also have injectors. They're either somewhere in here. I wish I could find them right now, but yeah, they're not in there. I thought they were in here, but they're not in these boxes for sure. And then that's the header wrap, because I don't want my shit to get hot. I think that's about it, about stuff I have not really installed. And the kit, ooh, about to fall, did come with, those aren't mine by the way, that's my cousin's. Did come with this 3-inch downpipe that comes with pre-existing O2 sensor bonks, so like the AFR gauge could plug in, and then my O2 sensors could go in there as well. So pretty handy. I do have, that's one of the reasons it's been holding me back too, is I have to get custom work done, because the turbo exhaust side will be over here. Yeah, it would be over here, so I have to get something custom, or I think it's that way. I'd have to get something custom to go right down there. It's a little bit tricky, but yeah, I have to go down there. So I think that's how it's gonna look. Or yeah, I think that, yep, scratched up here. So this is how it's gonna look. So yeah, I have to get something a little bit custom. So I guess the O2 and the that O2 sensor will go in here somewhere, and the AFR gauge will go into somewhere here too, and then the one on the bottom goes here. Cool, now I can see how it works. But yeah, that's honestly all the parts so far. That's my old resonator. Originally we thought it was fucked up, but turns out not to be. Now I'm raspy as heck because I'm full headers back, no cats, nothing. The only reason why my car doesn't sound like straight up garbage is because I have a HKS high power muffler, so it does muffle a lot of the ugly ass sounds. But as you can tell, I do run rich. I already fucking burned my paint, and I do pop, and I do spit flames once in a while, not gonna lie. I have gotten thumbs up by an SRT8. He was like, oh shit, you pop flames. But other than that, like I said, headers back, DC headers, Invidia Downpipe, which I'm going to get rid of regardless because of that. Tsudo Midpipe, and then the HKS Axleback. I do have this little supporting mods. I do have the weaponar catch can, which is just on there for now. It's not even on there properly, but we'll figure that out. I do want to get a new radiator, but we'll see. And then that's the K&N Typhoon air intake. Only reason I got it was because back when I lived in Cali, that was the only one that was carb legal. Now with the kit, it does come with another intake, so it's in one of those boxes. I think it's in that gray one, where I have other stuff in there. So I have everything except for the something that could connect the exhaust side to that downpipe, and then I also have to go get a dyno tuned, and yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. So I have to get something else. So I want to get into boost. I was talking to a tuner, so eventually I'll get another computer that could be a little bit better than this, because talking to a tuner and then Toyotas apparently don't get along. Piggyback with this piggyback, they don't work together as well as other, like the uni chip. That's what the tuner was telling me. Oh, something I wanted to get, but I didn't think it was gonna work until like what, 2-3 months ago, talked to the tuner, and then he told me, oh yeah, that would have been a good, nice piggyback. It's probably the best one for this kind of car, piggyback wise. I was like, fuck. And this was around, so this was like around 400 used. Yeah, I think like around 400-ish. Uni-chip, you can only buy a brand new. I could not find a used one. It was like around the 500 something. So yeah, cheaped out, but well, you live and learn. So anything else? So you guys already saw the other side. It's all fucked up. Check down the interior. It's dirty. Keep in mind. Gutted. I'll show you from the back. Gutted. So just from that line forward, the interior is all nice. But other than that, I just kept my stuff for my music, like so. Yep, that's the back. Excuse me, because it's dirty. Literally, I work a lot. So these are the shit. What kind of racing seats are these? I forgot the brand. They're not like, I wouldn't take this to the track. These are just like nice daily seats. And then I had my friend had to do some custom work on these brackets. These are Cypher auto brackets, and he had to custom weld some shit. So live and learn. Shit on the dirtiness. Painted that. It's already chipped here because of something I did, but wasn't that bad. There you go. See, that's what I hate fucking on my car. Shift boot, shift knob, radar detector. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple in here. Nothing much done to it. I don't really fuck with the inside too much besides seats or whatnot. These aren't my first pair. I have the other pair right there. Those are Cypher Auto. I don't remember which ones, but they were cool as I first got them. Eventually I got tired of them. They broke like the first week. The little lever, like, see how it stays here? So this lever broke, so this seat on the passenger side would just flop around. So I had to, my friend that welded those seats as well in that position, so they were fixed technically. But other than that, that was pretty much it. Just want to make a video of where I'm at, what I'm doing, where I'm going to be anytime soon, please. But yeah, I'll try to edit this shit because I'm learning how to edit. So these are all the mods I got. I could show you everything, but it's gonna take too long, and I know this video is probably like already almost 20 minutes, so I'd rather just not bore you. And I think that's it. Yeah, there's an intercooler. It's a big ass intercooler. I don't know how the fuck it's gonna fit on that bumper, but if it doesn't, then shit, I'm running bumperless. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, you guys have a great day. Peace out.